Hello everyone, PallyTime here with TGN.TV. This is the continuation of my Dark Souls playthrough. I am gonna say right now for the record that this game is crack, and I can't seem to stop playing it. Just fair warning, I'm uploading episode 16 or 17 today. It might be 17 today. And this is episode 23. So I'm getting pretty far ahead. Oh, let's hurry on this before it leaves. Alright, so I'm getting pretty far ahead. So if you're giving me advice and you haven't seen it implemented yet, that is the reason for that. I'm just really enjoying this game. And like I said in a few other videos, I finally got over my cold. I'm finally feeling like the real PallyTime. And I don't want to stop recording. It's been a lot of fun. So in today's video we are going to progress. I guess we're going to progress into here. My goal is to find the giant blacksmith. I don't even have a clue where to start. But I'm going to do my best. I'm gonna do my best. It says we need humanity. I am a human. Grief ahead, need humanity. Try luring it out. Okay. Yeah, kitty. Alright. So we're luring a very large stone weapon man towards us. No, come on. Come to me. There you go. There you go. No, this way. Come this way. Good job. You did that really well. Yes, you did. I was gonna say, is there a particular reason I'm not hurting him? Look at him jumping around. Acting a fool right now. Jeez, come on, man. Just come down here. Why we gotta go through all these formalities? I hope I did not pull the other one. I did not. Good. That shield of his just blocks everything. I have to hit him in the left leg or I'm not hitting him at all. Alright, one down. One down and one to go. Assuming they're the only things here. Which I think they are. Ouch. You hit hard, giant robot man. Or giant statue thing. Whatever you are. I do not want to be flattened by that shield. I'm just letting you know that right now. And I think I just saw a fucking gargoyle out of the corner of my eye. I hope... What the fuck is that thing? I hope they are not aggroing me. That would make me very sad right now, because I am... have my hands a little full right here. Little full right now. God, this motherfucker spins so much. Oh! Had the potential to end it there, but I missed my swing. There we go. Alright. Taken down. So like I said, I'm looking for the giant blacksmith. I don't know how to find him. Don't have a clue how to find him, actually. I just know he's here somewhere. Should I let you out? I'll let you out. Never mind. They looked friendly enough. They're the ones who brought us here, right? Locked by some contraption. Well then. I guess I'm going contraption hunting. What are you guys doing? What's going on down here? Are we fighting? Okay. Thought we were friends, that's alright. I'll get over it. Not good. Not good. Let's back it on up, guys. Let's take a deep breath. Let's think about... Oh, shit, there's 3 of them. Alright, first things first. I need to focus down the weak one here. Ooh, first things first, I need to run like hell. Run like hell. Alright, let's start using some lightning spears. Alright, I think I'm good. I think I can handle this now. That one on the right's still throwing lightning spears at me, but that's okay. He just needs one more hit to finish him off. Oh, through the gate. Why are you stopping? Go through the gate. Go through the fucking gate. Heal. My first time ever. He just hit me through the fucking wall. What a dick. Assholes. Man, those guys sucked. Damn. Did he even have anything down here? Y'all just fucking chilling? That is really pretty. That was totally worth it. That was really pretty. So there's a small walkway down here. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's check out another area first. Why does my guy, like, constantly just stop running? Is that because of his equipment load or something? Should I go ahead and equip this again? This door doesn't even open. That door opens from some contraption, quote unquote. So I guess we're going down. My health is not too good. Not too good at all. Oh, there's more of those things. I can see its tail. 2 more of those things. I can see you. I can see you. You can see me too, okay. Oh, get me off the edge. Oh, shit, get me off the edge. Fuck. Fucky, fuck, fuck. Alright, so there has to be an easy way to kill these guys. They have a long-ass delay on their lunge. So maybe I can go in then. Yeah, that looks like what it is. I have to wait for them to lunge and then step in. Weakness, fall. What? Ouch! The fuck? Homing like fucking spear shit things? You fucking kidding me? Alright, I'm gonna run for it. I have no other choice. I got this shit. Got this shit. Try tears. tears. Dry tears. Don't tell me I banked them. Why do I bank anything in this game? Why? Dude, I don't even know where to go. Is there like an open window or some shit here? What am I doing? Oh my god! I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Run. Why aren't you running? Holy shit, that is not the fucking time to stop. That's not even funny. God damn. Alright. Well. That was fun. I guess I'm gonna head back to the bonfire and, you know, not die because I'm out of everything. I'm out of spears. I'm out of Estus flasks. I'm out of patience. Fuck, dude. This place is no joke. This place is really no joke. So I want to see what's down those stairs. If you go down those. You know, the ones on the little take you anywhere thing. That thing in the middle that spins. I don't know how to get to the blacksmith, but that's my goal here. I want to find him. Because he can make some really good weapons. He sells the giant's armor. The gear I'm in right now has really good physical defense, but high resistances to elements. But the giant's gear, which is the one I want, which is the other one I want, rather, has the highest physical defense in the game. So I want to get that. Because like I said, my whole intention with this character was to just be really, really, really tanky. And as you can see right now, I'm not exactly really, really, really tanky. Kind of getting owned. Kind of getting really owned right now. It might be a little low to be over here, I don't really know. Don't really know. Be wary of fall. Try a plunging attack. It's a terrible thing. I just did a plunging attack. Are you happy? Are you happy, troll message leaver? Okay. So, stop fucking run, damn it. Like, I'm gonna end up pushing my B key so hard that it just stops working. Well, there was someone to summon right there. His summoning sign went away right when I got there, which is irritating. I wouldn't even know, like... I wouldn't even know where to begin, honestly. It's probably a good thing that I couldn't summon him. Even though I think his summon sign's back now. I could always send him a message, because, you know, this is through the Xbox servers. Could always send him a message and be like, hey, can you take me to the blacksmith? I can't go any lower? What if I walk? Okay, because I was going to say, there was another path. Now I saw it. What is that thing? What is that thing? It's like a bloody statue. Oh, it's a bonfire. Okay. Alright. I'll take it. Can't complain about that, right? Ring of the Sun's Firstborn. What does that do? Boost miracles. Oh, that's gonna make our lightning spear hit harder. That's a pretty big deal. That could be really, really good. That could be extremely good. Alright, we found a bonfire. Very good. What does this do? Contraption does not move. It's probably because the stairs are already here. In fact, I'm pretty certain that's what it is. Alright, so I guess the path for me to take is the one that I was already trying. I just need to be a lot more careful. A lot more careful. I'm gonna have to kill those statues again. I'm gonna have to kill those bat things. I don't even know what to call those things. That's so disorienting. Ugh. Oh, my controller isn't giving out. Like, I'm pushing the red button as hard as I can right now, and he just stopped. Maybe my armor is too heavy. Like, where do you see your equipment load at? You always put this on. Oh, it's hilarious. Weakness leg. So I am going to have to fight them again, okay. Come on. Stop moving so I can kill you. That was a good hit. Give you that. He's like giving me a hug right now. I'm not even moving. Very good. Feel like I handled that really, really well. Now time to do one more. This one I recall being a lot more difficult. Nothing I can't handle, apparently. Spoke too soon, apparently. Come on, big guy. Come on. Wonder if I am kind of afraid my controller's giving out. I'm pushing up as far as I can right now. And he just keeps deciding, he just keeps changing how fast he moves. I am gonna heal. Try to only aggro one here. That work? Nice! Alright. Kiting way back. This looks ridiculous. Turns out when you fight one at a time, they're pretty easy. Who would have guessed? Who the fuck would have guessed? Alright, let's try to aggro one more. Got one. Great. That's really good. It's really, really good. God, stop moving. Holy shit, I can't get a fucking hit in. Motherfuckers all over the place. There we go. I gotta take this stupid thing off my head. Let's bring the boar helm back. I missed the boar helm. I really don't want to buy another controller. Please don't give out on me, controller. I love you. Nice. Well, we got through that a lot better than we did last time. A lot better. Hidden path. It's not really that hidden. It's quite clear path, I thought. So we're gonna have to fight two here. Weakness fall. Not good. Not good. Not. Oh, we died. Fuck! 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 All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna get back there. I'm gonna get past this shit. I just don't want this whole episode to be me fucking up the whole time. Okay, bye. Oh my god, I finally did it. I died so many times. I lost my body. I lost my souls. I finally got up here. I finally killed all the two guys, the two archers. It was difficult. I do want to show you guys how I did that. I'm just not gonna do it right now because I seriously I had to go through that 5 or 6 times until I really got the formula down. But we're clear. I can explore this rooftop now. Unfortunately, I did lose again. Probably about 30,000 souls. That's okay. Alright, dropping down. Let's see where this leads. Elation! Where are we? Bonfire? Bonfire? Open. Oh, thank... Is that Sunbro? Sunbro, is that you? Hey. Hey. Hello.
Oh, there you are. You've been quiet these days. Smooth summoning out there. Anytime you see my brilliantly shining signature, do not hesitate to call upon me. You've left me with quite an impression. I would relish a chance to assist you.
I like you, Sunbro. So, Imminent Dark Wraith. Need humanity. Well, let's go ahead and get humanity, I guess. This episode's gonna go long just because I don't want to stop playing. It was so frustrating to get past that point, I kind of don't want to stop now. I really want to find the blacksmith. That was my whole goal here. I know the blacksmith is somewhere near this bonfire, I think. If not, then I'm just kind of wasting your time right now. Let's try to find him. Come here, blacksmith. Oh. Hey. Hello, friend. Oh my god, did you see that pro-ass parry? Holy shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. That's what you get, asshole. It's what you get. Pro-ass parry. Alright, you're kicking my ass now. This one is safe. Sunlight metals? Really? Huh. Okay. Okay. Some more dark wraiths. Parrying sucks. This is gonna be good practice. This is gonna be really good practice for my parry. These guys are worth 1,000 souls each. That's fucking like free money. Hello? Blacksmith! Does not open from this side. Okay. Does it open from... Alright, there's no door there. So I guess we're going upstairs. Going way upstairs. Blacksmith? Oh, what's this? Head ahead. Yes, yes, there is a head ahead. I'll give that a thumbs up. That was clever. That was clever. Be wary of night. Hello? Hello. Hi. Oh, you have a different moveset. Yes, you do. I'm ready. No, I'm not. I'm gonna back up now. I'm being invaded. I'm being invaded. I need you to hurry up and die, bud. I need you to hurry up and die. Like, seriously. Please. Just... Please, come on. I'm being invaded and I can't even kill this fucking... I take it that's him. Alright, come on, bud. I'm not gonna follow you downstairs. It's a terrible idea. It's a mimic chest. Was he on a different set of stairs? Regardless, I want to be down here where I've already cleared to fight this guy. There he is. I'm gonna fucking get owned. Can't even hit him. Wow. Laggy ass backstab, but a backstab nonetheless. Can't even hit the guy. Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. Couldn't even do anything. I don't know if it's because I was lagging or what, but he backstabbed me for 0 damage. And kicked the shit out of me. At least I died where I could easily access my souls. So I didn't really lose anything. Still kind of irritating, you know what I mean? I didn't really have any humanity for him to take. And I was right next to a bonfire. So I guess as far as invasions go, that was kind of a best case scenario. But this video is going on a little bit long now. I still don't know where the blacksmith is. Have no clue how to find him. So I'm gonna go ahead in this video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just got owned in PvP. Feel free to laugh at me. Honestly, I'm not surprised. I'm not very good at PvP in this game. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below. Leave me a comment down below as well. And if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe. I will be back tomorrow with more of my Dark Souls adventure. Hopefully we'll find the blacksmith. Okay, bye.